Hi guys, today I'm bringing you a new tutorial in Matplotlib, and today we're going to focus on how to create grids in your figures. So let's get into it. As always, I'm going to import Matplotlib and I'm going to just create a dummy dataset so you can play with it, and this is what it looks like in the start. And we would like to add a grid to that figure, so we want it to be horizontal lines, vertical lines, or whatever we want. Okay, so first of all, how to create a normal grid is just as easy as creating this command plt.grid. This line of code will just add the grid to our figure. Okay, so in this grid, this is pretty standard, pretty normal. We can customize it a little bit. For instance, we can change the line style. Okay, so in this case, we have this dash line, and as you can see here, we can change it to maybe just as we had before, or you want it to be a little bit different. Okay, so you can play with that, play with the settings, and you can get different results in your grid. Also, what you can do is you can change the line width and color. So, for instance, we want it to be color, we want it to be red, and line width, let's say 1. Okay, so this is what happens. You can really customize the grid as how you want. Okay, so one can see here that the grid line is above what we have plotted. Okay, so this is not what we want. We want it to be below the figure. Usually, maybe in some cases you don't want, but if you want to do that, what I recommend you doing is you have to create an axis. Um, so you define arc with the plt.axis, and then with this line of code, you can set the axis below the figure. So with that, it's easy, it's super easy. So now, as you can see here, you really get the axis below the dots, below the dashes, or below what you have plotted. Okay. So finally, also some other thing you can do is maybe you want it only, for instance, the x-axis, okay, the vertical line. So what we have to do here is to say axis equals to x, and then you have only vertical lines, and equal to y, you want horizontal lines. Okay, so there's a lot of more things you can customize. You can check. So I will leave in the description the reference, or the, let's say, the documentation of this library, so you can see all the details that maybe are interesting for you. If you would have some trouble, please comment down below, and I will try to answer you as soon as possible. So hope you have this helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.